In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete TradingView account. We'll start from a simple web search so you can follow along from any browser. Type TradingView into your search bar, then select the official result that reads TradingView, track all markets. That takes you to the home page. Before proceeding, make sure you're logged into the exact account you want to remove, especially if you manage multiple profiles, because the deletion you confirm will apply to the account that's currently signed in. On the home page, look toward the top right corner and click your profile icon. A small menu will open with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Settings and Billing. This opens your main settings area where profile, privacy, and billing controls are grouped together. If the wording on your screen is slightly different, don't worry. The option typically includes the words Settings and Billing and sits in the same menu that appears under the profile icon. Inside the settings area, head to Account Settings. This is where the deletion control is located. Quick heads up before you click anything final. Deleting your TradingView account removes your profile, watch lists, saved layouts, and any published content tied to this login. If you might need something later, consider exporting data or taking screenshots first. Also, if you currently have a paid plan, check your billing status so you understand how deletion affects access and renewals. None of this adds steps. It's just to ensure you don't lose anything you still need. When you're ready, find the Delete Account option and select it. A confirmation prompt will appear explaining what happens. Read it carefully, then click Yes. Delete Account to move forward. For security, you'll be asked to verify ownership. Enter your current password exactly as you use it to sign in. If you usually log in through a provider, expect a similar verification prompt. This safeguard prevents accidental or unauthorized deletions. After entering your password, click Continue. TradingView will process your request and schedule the account for deletion. If you see an error, double-check your password or confirm that you're on the correct account settings page. That's the entire process. Open TradingView from your search results, click your profile icon, open Settings and Billing, go to Account Settings, choose Delete Account, confirm with Yes, and verify with your password before selecting Continue. Follow these steps carefully and your TradingView account will be removed.